Want to improve the performance in-game by removing data that are no longer needed in Mobile Legends? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to remove data that are no longer needed in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Network Test. Then tap on Clear Cache. Now tap on Clean button. Click on OK button to restart the game. And that's how you can remove data that are no longer needed in Mobile Legends. You can also use another way to remove data that are no longer needed in Mobile Legends. Now tap on Settings icon. Then tap on Network Test. Select Clear Redundancy. Tap on Scan and Clean button to scan the data. This might take some time depending on the size of the data in Mobile Legends. And that's how you can remove data that are no longer needed in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.